Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to give you guys a tutorial on how to slice a brisket. So the first thing you want to do here is you want to slice it right down the middle. Now, if this brisket was done correctly, you're going to want to not try to force the knife going down. You want to do like a saw motion so that if it is real tender, it doesn't fall apart on you. Once you have sliced it right down the middle, the round part, which is your moist part, we're going to put it off to the side because we want to tackle the lean part first. Or we're going to try to slice this about 1/4 of an inch in width. And again, as you're slicing it, if it's very, very tender, I would go back and forth, nice and gentle. Do not rush through this. You want to try to get these slices as nice and uniform as possible. I am cutting from the fat cap, from the top part, so a lot of that is very, very soft and jiggly. Take your time with this. I know you want to try to get into it, but just take your time, slice it in nice even slices. The closer you get to the end or the edge of the brisket, the harder it is going to be to slice. Once you have sliced the entire flat part of the brisket, you want to do one slice going the opposite way to make these slices of brisket a little bit more manageable. Now for the round part, what I like to do is I like to cut the other end off just to keep my moist slices as uniform as possible. What you want to do with this one, you just want to slice it off and set it off to the side because you will be slicing that one later on. Now I will apologize, my camera for whatever reason moved, or I just was not looking to where the camera was pointing, and half of this brisket is going to be off frame. What I ended up doing here is I ended up moving it over to make it a little bit easier. This is the moist part of the brisket. It is even that much more tender than the lean part. So what you do here is you just slice them again, probably about 1/4 of an inch in thickness, more or less. And you just continue slicing until you're done. Once you're done with this part, you go ahead and move it over to your tray, and you tackle the other part that we removed earlier in the same manner. And once you're done, your brisket slices should kind of look a little bit more uniform like this. I hope this video has helped. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. This has been The Smoking Beard. Thank you for watching.